Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing most trusted trend momentum strategy trading in Forex indicator. This trend momentum strategy is a non-repaint indicator system that gives easy to use buy sell signals on charts. It is a trading system based on the Renko chart with the purpose of filtering all market noise. First of all, let us know about trading tools of this strategy. This arrow gives buy and sell trade signals. This red and blue line shows trend of price momentum. And last red and blue bar is a MACD indicator. These are all our trading tools. Let's see how we use these trading tools. A green arrow represents a buy signal. The green buy arrow appear on the chart, blue MACD bar in center to up position, and the trend line color should be blue indicate the perfect buy signal. Exit position, you can take profit, use the risk to reward ratios 1:1 or next resistance level. Stop loss, on the last swing low. A red arrow represents a sell signal. If the red sell arrow appear on the chart, red MACD bar in center to down position, and the trend line color should be red indicate the perfect sell signal. Exit position, you can take profit, use the risk to reward ratios 1:1 or next support level. Stop loss, on the last swing high. Best candle time frame to trade 15 minutes to 4 hour. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. Follow money management and don't enter to trade within the high impact news period. Exit from your trades before half and an hour from the high-impact Forex news. Here is not perfect buy trade because out of 3 condition, 1 condition is not fulfill. Here trend line is above MACD bar, ideally for buy trade this required for below MACD bar with blue color. I hope you must have understood this trading rules, if not then it doesn't matter, we are going to see examples of some live trade, so that you will definitely understand. But before we start taking live trade, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this strategy. So let's start. Here is perfect sell trade setup as per our recommendations. Because here red sell arrow appear on the chart, red MACD bar in center to down position, and the trend line color also red. So let's take sell trade here. Stop loss set on the last swing high. And our take profit set on next support level. For this trading session, I am using Forex Trading MT4 platform, which is a globally trusted, licensed and regulated international forex broker, which is available in more than 190 countries and has more than 5 million active traders on it. On this platform you can deposit and withdraw money from your local payment system. Forex, crypto CFDs and more trading options are available on this trading platform. You can start trading on this platform by making a minimum deposit of $5. And the most interesting thing is, XM now offers a 2-tier bonus on your deposit which is 50% up to $500 plus 20% up to $4,500 maximum, giving you the ability to start trading with more capital. This bonus instant credit on your deposit. Applied to deposits from just $5. Available for all MT4 and MT5 accounts. And whatever profit you earned by trading, you can withdraw at any time. So register today XM platform, fund your account and get your deposit bonus instantly. Registration link given in the description box. Free download indicator, link given below video description. Here is winning trade. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.